Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover RecyclerView onClickListener. In the last video, we have covered how RecyclerView works and we have created a RecyclerView from scratch where we were displaying a list of city names. We will continue from the last video. I have given link of the last video on the top right I button. In this video, first we will create a new activity and on clicking a particular view in the RecyclerView, we will open this activity where we will display the click city name. First, we will create the new activity. We will right click in the package where main activity is there, then new activity, empty activity, activity name, city details activity and language kotlin. We will go to the layout file of city details activity and there we are creating a text view for displaying the city name. Inside my cities adapter class we have my view holder class and inside my view holder class we have bind method. In bind method, in the view, we need to set onClickListener, view.set onClickListener, and inside it, we need to create an intent. Intent first parameter is context, so we are getting the context from the view, view.context, and second parameter is the activity that we want to start, city details activity. And then intent.putExtra, we are passing the city name and then we are starting the activity. For starting the activity, we require context. We are getting the context from the view, view.context.start activity, and in the parameter, we are passing the intent. In city details activity, first we are getting the reference of the text view by using find view by ID, and then from intent we are getting the city name by using intent.getStringExtra, and in the parameter passing the name. And then in the text view we are setting the city name. Our code is ready now. We could run the app. On clicking a particular view in the RecyclerView, city details activity is opening where we are displaying the click city name. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.